Hey guys, Ryan Stileson here, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that's very, very near and dear to my heart, and that is leveraging artificial intelligence for your business. You can make an additional 100,000 or more by just implementing these strategies. So with AI agents, they never take a break. They don't ask for Social Security. They don't ask for a raise. They just do the same thing over and over again at the highest level that you can possibly think of once you train it. So what you'll learn in this video is you'll learn how to implement these tools, where to implement these tools, why you want to implement these tools, and the pricing and considerations that you want to have when you're implementing these strategies, because there are certain things that you want to look out for when you're implementing these strategies. So for plumbing, for example, you can have the AI make outbound phone calls for seasonal weather plumbing to send those reminders, not just via email, but actually a phone call and or a text, and then have a conversation with the person after that if they've got any questions, just like a human would. It can take as many phone calls as you throw at it, and it will take all of them.
Appliance service, how may I help you?
Hello, I'm calling because my oven is not working.
Okay, let me get some more details about your oven issue. What exactly is happening with your oven? Is it not turning on at all? Or are you seeing any error codes or other symptoms?
Yeah, not turning on at all.
Okay, got it. That sounds like it could be an issue with the power supply or control board. We can definitely take a look at that for you. First, let me confirm that we cover your area. What is the zip code at the location where the oven is?
I'm actually, I don't know the zip code, but I'm located in Kissimmee.
Okay, no problem. Kissimmee is within our service area, so we can definitely send a technician out to take a look at your oven.
And it's consistent in terms of the messaging that you want it to give. And it's based on what you feed it, which is that knowledge base and the prompt. You can actually have the AI agent do many different things, like book appointments with a calendar link. So while the person's on the call, it'll keep them on the call. It'll text them a link. In the beginning, we actually have the AI agent say, hey, these are the things that I can do. I can speak in multiple languages. I can transfer you to a human. I'm going to talk to you right now and qualify you to see if you have a case, or if your plumbing incident is something that requires this, or this, while we're waiting for a human to jump on either via text or phone.
Let's get your appointment scheduled then. Can I please start by getting your full name?
My name is Stefano.
Great, thanks, Stefano. I'll go ahead and schedule an appointment for you, and I'll send the confirmation over to that email address. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, any chance that you come on Monday to take a look at my oven?
Sure, let me check our availability for Monday. We actually have an opening on Monday afternoon around 2 p.m. Would that work for you?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, great. I've scheduled an appointment for you on Monday at 2 p.m.
We've implemented these conversational AI for about 25 of our clients, only in about probably 2 months. And that's with us really limiting the number of businesses that we can work with. We really only want to work with about 8 to 10 verticals in the beginning. So anybody else outside of that, we didn't work with. And during that process, what we've done is we built an onboarding process that's ironclad so that we can go through and get the A2P approval, which is something I'll talk about, which is important for messaging, which is one of the very unique features of our specific artificial intelligence solution, is that it's one phone number with one agent. You can engage with it via voice, via text, on an embed code on a website, anywhere you can possibly communicate. That's what's unique about our specific AI, and that you can't really find anywhere else. And those are really exciting as well, because for the first time, you can do everything. Opt-ins, estimates, everything that you would put on your website normally, take all those off and replace them with an artificial intelligent agent so that you can have all those things done without having all these other extraneous things. You can meet the person exactly where they're at the time that they want something with an AI agent, and have them spend extra time on the site, and therefore have your rankings for your website go up. And you get rewarded by Google again, because you're giving Google what it wants, which is a great experience. That's how Google determines who it's going to rank, is time on site is one of the biggest factors, and an AI agent's going to help you do that, okay? So if you're using local service ads, you can now have your business go from 9 to 5 to 24/7, which will increase the number of leads that you're going to get, okay? In particular, in terms of customer service, the nice thing about the AI is it's completely neutral. It never gets mad. It never gets angry. It doesn't have emotions. It stays completely neutral, And so there's no wear and tear on human emotions that can happen as a result of communicating with somebody that might be angry or frustrated.
Hello, this is Alex from Movers. How can I assist you today with your move?
Hello, I'm calling because I need to move to a new city.
Wonderful. I'd be happy to assist you with your move. Just to confirm, are you moving from one state to another state?
Yes, to another state, yeah.
Great. That's exactly the kind of move our company specializes in. Could you tell me how many large furniture items like couches, beds, dressers that you'll be moving?
It's about 4 beds and 2 couches, I would say.
Wonderful. That sounds like a good size move for our services.
So there's also like emergency response triage. So if somebody calls in for an emergency situation, the AI can definitely triage that person and send it to the right person. The key benefits for small businesses is that there's 24/7 lead response and qualification. It handles a high volume of inquiries all at the same time. There's a reduction in the missed calls and improvement in conversions as a result of being able to get to those calls very quickly. The conversion rate goes up, and there's cost savings compared to human staffing. There's a lot of cost savings. So those are all the things that can be done. So I would consider myself an expert. I mean, I've also helped to set up an enterprise level artificial intelligence system where we're setting up agents all the way through to case management for attorneys, to booking appointments for plumbers, to following up to make sure that the person's been seen by a doctor and communicating with the insurance companies for the attorneys and for the plumbers, following up after the call, and even having the AI make an outbound phone call in order to get a review and send a suggested text, with the link and all that. So you definitely want to make sure that you've got all those things handled. And I'm going to cover those in these videos. You've got text, you've got voice, and you've got chatbots on the website, okay? So what's coming in the next video? In the next video, we're going to be talking about setting up your first AI agent. We're going to show you how to do that. And then I want to encourage you to communicate in the school community. Let us know what questions you have. Really excited you're here. We'll talk soon. Thanks.